Hello friends, welcome to Secret of Electronics. In this video, we will learn how to make a password protected door lock using a ESP32 board, a 4x4 keypad and a SST1306 OLED display. In this circuit, you can see that all 4 row pins of the 4x4 keypad are connected to GPIO pins 18, 5, 17 and 16 of the ESP32 board, and all 4 column pins of the 4x4 keypad are connected to GPIO pins 26, 25, 33 and 32 of the ESP32 board. The SDA and SCL pins of the SST1306 OLED display are connected to GPIO pins 21 and 22 of the ESP32 board. The BC547 NPN transistor is connected to GPIO pin 23 of the ESP32 board to drive a 5V relay. The 12V solenoid lock and a 12V DC power source are connected in series with the normally open and common terminals of the 5V relay. This Arduino code is for a password protected door lock system using a ESP32 board, 4x4 keypad, SST1306 OLED display, and a relay to control a door lock. It stores a password in non-volatile memory using the ESP32 preferences library so that the password persists even after power is removed. The code allows the user to set a new password, verify the password for access and change the password when necessary. In setup function, the relay pin GPIO23 is set to output to control the relay and the display is initialized. If a password is already saved, then the user is prompted to enter the password to unlock the door lock. Otherwise, they are prompted to set a new password. In the loop function, the keypad reads input if no password is set. Then the user can set an initial password by entering a sequence on the keypad and pressing key A to confirm. This password is then saved in the ESP32 non-volatile storage. After setting the password, each time the user enters the stored password and presses key A, then the code unlocks the door by activating the relay for 5 seconds, after which it turns off and relocks the door. If the password is incorrect, it displays an access denied message. The code includes a change password mode triggered by pressing H key on the keypad. When the user selects this option, they are permitted to enter the current password. If correct, then they are permitted to set a new password by entering a sequence and pressing key A to confirm. This new password then replaces the old password in the ESP32 memory. The display message and display password progress functions handle displaying messages on the OLED display, ensuring the user is guided throughout the process. Additional input options allow user to delete incorrect characters by pressing C key, adding to the user-friendly design of this secure door lock system. Now connect the ESP32 board to your PC using a USB cable. After connecting, open the Arduino IDE and install the necessary libraries for this project. Adafruit SST1306 keypad and preferences. After installing the libraries, load the code file, which you can download from the link provided in the description. Once the code file is open, select the correct board and port. If you are unsure how to add the ESP32 board to the Arduino IDE, then you can watch our tutorial by clicking the I button. After selecting the board and port, upload the code to the ESP32 board by clicking the upload button. Now you can see that after setting the password, When I enter the correct password, then the door lock opens for 5 seconds and then automatically closes. I can also change the password by first confirming the current password. After changing the password, if I enter the previous password, then the door lock does not open. But when I enter the new password, then you can see that the door lock opens.